Hello everyone. Today we will talk about JavaScript outputs. So for displaying data, JavaScript has many possibilities. For writing into an HTML element using inner.html. So we have many possibilities. We will talk about one by one. So like first we will talk about how many possibilities we have. We have inner.html. This is for writing into an HTML element. Okay. And another one is document.write. This is for writing into the HTML output any outputs. And third one is window.alert. This is for writing into an alert box. Fourth one is console. Fourth one is console.log. Writing into the browser console. Okay, we will talk about all these possibilities for displaying data. Firstly, we'll talk about inner.html. To access HTML element, JavaScript can use the document.getElementById. This is ID. Okay, the ID attribute defines the HTML element. The inner HTML properties defines the HTML content. Okay, this ID is basically the same ID of that particular element. Okay, so that's why we are mentioning here demo, because we are using demo here. Changing the inner HTML property of an HTML element is a common way to display data in HTML. You can write it like this also. If you want any calculation here, 20 plus 30. If user will click here, then 20 plus 30, 50 is coming. Any calculation you want. It's minus 10. Okay, so this is the way to do a inner HTML property elements, HTML element displaying data in an HTML. Another way is document.write. What this will do, this is basically for testing purpose. Okay, if you will write here document.write is hello. Okay, just save and then refresh. See, hello is coming. The button document.write method should always be used for testing only. Suppose if you are using here, you just write document.write not for the not in the function, and just save, and here just save only. We are not using any function. So hello is coming because we are using script in the head section. If you will remove from here and add it here, it will come in the last one. Last one, hello is coming, and if you click here, nothing will happen. But when you if you add document.write on any function, then it will remove all the content from the HTML page and then add only a hello. You can add it here in the function tag and just save and then refresh. If you will click here, it will remove the whole existing HTML content and just showing hello. So that's why we are using this is for the testing purpose. Now we will talk about window.alert. Alert is basically for showing content in an alert box. If you click here, then my function, sorry, window.alert, just save. If you click here, then this window pop-up is coming. So this is also many times it's using for the testing purpose, and sometimes it's used for displaying data of your form. Okay, now we will talk about using console log. Console log is a many useful property, many useful method. Console.log is, if you can write any calculation here, you can write this. Why we use it? This is for debugging purpose. You can use the console log method to display data. I will tell you more about console log in our upcoming video. For now, you can check, you can just learn about it's a method for displaying data in your console property. This is an element, this is a console, this is a console. But if you can click here, then content is showing here. If you can click, sorry, it's not refreshed till yet. You can refresh and then click, it's 15 is coming. Okay, if you can write anything here, suppose my name, Nathan Gupta, just save and then refresh. You can click here and it will shows here in the console log. This is the console log, browser console log. So this is also for debugging purpose. Okay, so this is the ways like how JavaScript will shows the output. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will talk about JavaScript statements. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.